Hello everyone. First, open your Telegram Messenger. Now, go to your contact chat section. Tap on add icon. Choose a media, include photo or video. For example, I choose this one and tap on that photo or video to reach the editing section. Now tap on that icon shaped like a number 1. Choose how long the media will be kept after opening. We have by default is selected do not delete, but we have a 4 option: once view, 30 seconds, 10 seconds and 30 seconds. For example, I choose view once, which means that user after see that photo or video just by once time, after that the media will be deleted automatically. Now I show you. Select, for example, view once. You can add caption or tap on send. Now you see my photo covered by spoiler. Now, for example, I am that person who received this message. Now, for example, I have this message. If I open this media, now as you see on the top, we have a note. This photo can only be viewed once, which means after I saw this media, now I back, the photo automatically deletes and I see that this note expired photo. Also, this photo will be deleted for the sender. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel and support us to make more videos. Thanks for watching.